Hello, this is Bjornulf again, and this is a new video. And yeah, and here we will work around new stuff where you can control if the program do something or something else. You can control the flow, like before. The program will execute the line 3, then the line 4, then the line 5, etc., etc. You have no control about it. Now I will show you how to control if something happened, for instance. So you will use the if command. If is a special command, so you have to use it with double parentheses, open and close one, and also two brackets, an open bracket and a close bracket. You have here in between the parentheses, you have to put statement. If the statement is true, the program will execute the stuff between these two brackets. If not, it will do anything. Okay, so here I will put 1. 1 is always true. That means if 1, do something. So 1 is always considered as true or right. Here I will print hello. Yeah. So let's execute it, and here you see hello. So if 1, do that. 1 is true, like I said. 2 is also right. But if you put 0 in it, it will don't print anything, because 0 is considered as wrong. So this is important, but usually you don't use 1, 2 or the numbers in there. You use conditions. For instance, I will do int. I will create a variable called hello, and I will do if hello is something like 1. So here, line 3, I created an integer called hello with the value 1. Here, I used a condition. If this condition is respected, print hello. So here, I use a special syntax, a double equal, and this means this will return 1 if hello, the variable, is equivalent to 1. So the double equal is mean equivalent to. So here hello can be replaced by 1, will be replaced by 1 in the program. Okay, here hello for the program it's 1, and 1 is equal to 1. So this syntax a1 equal 1 will be equal to 1. So the printf will occur. Okay, so let's start it. So hello is equivalent to 1. We will see if it's right, and actually it is. So it can print hello. If I change the value of hello and put in 0, let's try what happened, and it will print nothing, because this condition is not verified. Of course, if I want to go in this time with 0, I can replace it with in 0 here and execute it again, and it will go in hello in the ifs without any problem. So here I will explain it what happened when it's 0. This of course is inside the program, but hello will be transferred into 0 because it's the element here, and 0 is not equivalent, it's not the same than 1, so it will be 0. So of course this will not occur. Okay, now when you use an if, you can also associate it with an else. You can use it, like that, and you have to put two other brackets. This means if this happen, do that, else do that. Here I will put something else. I will put not or no. Here I will put yes. And here, I don't know, question or whatever. Question is equivalent to 1. Here it will make yes. Okay? If I change it and then I put 0 in it, it will print no. Okay, so this is a way to control the code. If something happen, do something or something else. So that way you can control if a line, if I don't want the line 5 to be executed, I just have to put question to 0. In this example, of course. So this is very important to understand the big difference between this two equal and this equal. This equal is very special. I will explain it why. Because when you use something like equal, you will do something like it. I will create a variable here, and I will put here var 1, and I will give it a value 1. Okay, this is very different. This is kind of an affectation. Take the value 1 and put it in var 1. This is a comparison. So you have to use this syntax with a double equal in an if parentheses. Okay, don't use it elsewhere. For instance, here this is absolutely wrong, and of course this is absolutely wrong too, because this will change the value of question. That's not what we want to do. So here we are. Yeah, I think that's enough for now. I hope that now you can control the event. Like I said, each time you use a bracket, you can put it on a new line to make it more clean. There is some other syntax. This is mine. I use that kind. You can also find this kind of representation. Also, it will be the same for the main, of course. So I don't know. This one will be here, of course. So I don't know. It's up to you. But I rather like this one. It's as you want. And as I said, you can also, if you have just one line, you can also put it on just one line, like this. It will work very well without any problem. Okay, but of course, if the else or the if is very long, if that contain many lines, you don't want to put it that way, but you can put it that way. Something else, just before the end of this video, I want to say that you can remove the brackets if there is only one command. Here, for instance, I will just show you that work well. Now I will remove the brackets here and here, and that's also work. That also work. But only because there is only one command here and one command here. One command for an if and one command for the else. But yeah, so you can do that, but it's a bad habits, or not bad habits, but you can always put brackets. It's always good to know and good to have it. It's no problem not to do that. But sometimes you will see maybe no brackets, and you will have to know that you can do it. You can do it. It's not wrong. So yeah, that's it for this video. I think now you can control what happened, and of course you can use it for characters. I will just give you an example. Of course, if you use car1 equals to E, you can use here, I will put car1, it is equivalent to E, printf yes. Let's do this. Here you can see yes. And of course I will change it inside. I will say it A, and of course the answer will be no. So here you can do that and control the flow of your program. Yeah, that's about it. So yeah, the next stuff on the next video. And yeah, so see you, and bye.